Hi friends, my name is Aqil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will show you from one CSV file how to import few columns to one destination and few columns to another destination in SSIS. So this is my profile. I have 13 plus years of experience on Microsoft technologies. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is from one CSV file how to import few columns to one destination and few to another one. So recently I got a question from one of my subscriber, Paresh Yadnik. I have one file having multiple columns and I want to load few columns to one destination and a few columns to another destination. Then how could we achieve this? So let's see how we can do that in SSIS. I have person_movie CSV file, and if you open this particular file, then first few columns like ID, first name, last name, email, gender, these columns actually I want to insert into one SQL Server table, and then last two columns like movie genres and movie title, that I want to insert into another table. Okay, so in SQL Server database I have two tables, person table and movie table. So as I already told that first few columns I want to insert into person table, and then last two columns I want to insert into the movie table. So right now both of the tables are empty. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve this in SSIS. So first of all we need to drag and drop the data flow task into the control flow window, and then to read the data from the CSV file we will be using a flat file source. So just configure the flat file source here, browse the CSV file person.movie, maybe I can put the text qualifier here, and if you see the preview, so the data seems good here. Click OK. Okay, now because we want to use this same source in multiple destinations, then we need to use the multicast transformation, because multicast transformation can actually make multiple copies of single source, and that multiple copies can be used in multiple destinations. So let me just drag and drop the multicast transformation, and we can connect the flat file source with the multicast transformation. And now because we want to insert the data into SQL Server table, so we will be using the Oledb Destination. So we can use the Oledb Destination here, and maybe this can be called as person, and let's configure this destination. So make a new connection. So our tables exist in the SSIS database, so let's choose this connection. Click OK. Change the data access mode from table or view to table or view fast load, and now select the table person. Mapping seems good here. Click OK. Now let's drag and drop another destination, which is the movie destination. So maybe I can just rename this one to movie and configure this one as well. So another table is movie table. Click on mappings. So these columns got mapped automatically as well, because the column names are same in the flat file source and in the SQL Server table. So click OK. So the package has been configured. Now let me just execute the SSIS package. So it seems like this got failed. So let's see what the error is. So it is saying that the data conversion for column movie title returned status value 4 and status text was truncated. Okay, so it means that the value in the movie title is greater than the default value, which is the varchar 50. So you need to edit this flat file connection manager here, and in the advanced columns, so if you see the table here, movie table, so the length of the movie genres and movie title both are varchar 100. Okay, and by default the value of all columns in flat file connection SSIS automatically takes as varchar 50. So we can actually, for both these columns, we can actually change it to 100. Okay, so just click OK, and you can just click edit, yes, OK. So we have changed the length of the two columns. Rerun the SSIS package. So now it seems like the data got loaded successfully to both the tables. 1000 records got inserted, and if you check the data now, so in the person table there should be 1000 records. Okay, and there should be 1000 records in the movie table as well. So this is how we can insert the data from one source into multiple destinations. I think it's pretty straightforward. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video then please click the like button. Do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and click on all so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.